Good morning class. Hope you are doing well beta. As you all know, in the previous video we have completed our exercise 13.2 up to question number 4th. Now the question number 5th. In the question number 5th, the area of a rectangular plot is 1680 meter square is given and its length is 48 meter. Then we have to find the breadth and perimeter. Okay. So suppose this is the rectangular plot. The area is 1680 meter square. Length we have given, that is 48 meter. To calculate perimeter, first of all we have to calculate breadth. So what is the formula for area? Length multiplied by breadth, and that is equal to 48 multiplied by b, and the value of this area is equal to 1680. Okay. So from here we implies that b is equal 1680 divided by 48. After division, the value of b, that is breadth, is equal to 35 meter. Okay. So this is the value of breadth. Now we have calculated breadth. Again we have to find perimeter. To calculate the perimeter of rectangle, we have a formula, that is twice of length plus breadth. That means twice of sum of length and breadth. That is equal to 2 multiplied by 48 plus 35, and this is equal to 2 multiplied by 83, and the value of perimeter is become equal to 166 meter. So this is the value of perimeter, and the value of breadth is 35 meter. Okay. So this is the solution of your question number 5th beta. Okay. Now we will do the next question. Next, 6th question. In this figure we have given that ABCD is a parallelogram in which CE is perpendicular to AB. This is CE and this is perpendicular to this AB. Okay. And CF, this is CF and this is perpendicular to AD. Okay. And we have given the value of AB, AD, CF, and we have to find the value of CE. In case of parallelogram, the formula for the area is base multiplied by height. Okay. So if this is the parallelogram and this is considered as the base, in that case CE will be your height. If AB is your base, in that case CE is your height. Okay. And if we consider AD as the base of this parallelogram, in that case your height is CF. But in the both case your area is same. In the both cases area must be same. Okay beta. So from here, if AB is the base, then area is equal to AB multiplied by CE, and that is 24 multiplied by CE, because we don't know the value of CE, we have to evaluate the value of CE. In the same way, if we consider AD as the base, if AD is equal to base, then your area is AD multiplied by CF. Now the value of AD is 18 and the value of CF is 20. Okay. So the area from here is equal to 18 multiplied by 20, and this is equal to 360 centimeter square. Okay. Now look at this. This is the area of ABCD and this is also the area of ABCD. So both are same. We can equate both of them. So 24 multiplied by CE is equal to 360. By using this formula, we will evaluate CE. So CE is equal to 360 divided by 24. Okay, after dividing this 360 by 24, we will get our value of CE, and that is equal to 15 centimeter. So this is the solution of your question number 6th beta, in which you have to find the value of CE, and that is equal to 15 centimeter. I hope you all got it. Okay, now we will do the next question. In the next question, we have given a quadrilateral PQRS, that is this, in which diagonal value, that is SQ, is equal to 12.5 is given, and two perpendicular from the opposite vertices, that is PM and RN, are given, and the value of PM is 7.6 and RN is 5.8 centimeter. We have to calculate the area of this quadrilateral. So first of all, we write the formula for the area of this quadrilateral. Area of this quadrilateral is equal to half of the diagonal multiplied by the sum of altitude. Sum of altitude. Okay. So if we apply this formula in this quadrilateral, we will get that 1 by 2 SQ multiplied by PM plus Rn. Okay. Okay beta. So value of the area of this quadrilateral must be equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by 12.5 multiplied by 7.6 plus 5.8. So the value of area is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by 12.5 multiplied by 13.4. And this is equal to 12.5 multiplied by 6.7. To divide this, and this will become 6.7. Okay. So the value of this area is equal to 12.5 multiplied by 6.7. And the multiplication is equal to 83.75 centimeter square. Okay, so this is the solution of your question number 7th beta. I hope all you get it. The question number 8th is same like your question number 6th, 7th. Try to solve the 8th question by yourself, in which you have to calculate the area of different shape like rectangle and triangle. Try to do the question by yourself, and if you have any problem in solving these questions, we will take that problem in the live class. Thank you and have a nice day.